Hello, welcome back guy. Today I wanna show you about how to make video auto velocity effect in Capcut. So, let's enjoy this video watch until at the end and follow step by step. First, open the Capcut app. When go to app, click new project and choose your video that you want to make it. And click add audio and choose the song. And click on your video, and then click on Style. Find the scene swap. And click on Auto Velocity. And click on Adjust. Finally, let's see the result together. It's so easy and make it by a few seconds so we can export this video on your device. Thank you for watching this video. Until at the end, see you in the next video.